Imagine one of the most powerful forces in the universe, an explosion so intense that it could wipe out all life on Earth in seconds. This isn't science fiction. It's called a gamma-ray burst, and if one were to hit us directly, the results would be nothing short of catastrophic. But what if this actually happened? A gamma-ray burst, or GRB, is one of the most violent events in the universe. These cosmic explosions can release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. They're caused by the collapse of massive stars into black holes or by the collision of neutron stars, sending out narrow beams of highly energetic gamma rays across the cosmos. These bursts are rare, but powerful enough to be detected billions of light years away. Now imagine what would happen if one were pointed straight at Earth. If a gamma-ray burst were to hit Earth directly, the consequences would be devastating. The gamma rays would strip away our atmosphere, particularly the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, Earth would be exposed to intense UV radiation from the sun, leading to mass extinctions, widespread fires, and the collapse of ecosystems. The worst part? We wouldn't see it coming. Gamma-ray bursts travel at the speed of light, meaning there would be no warning. The first sign of danger would be when it hits. In the seconds after a gamma-ray burst hits Earth, the atmosphere would begin to burn away. UV radiation levels would skyrocket, causing instant damage to anything exposed. Wildlife, plants, and even humans would suffer from lethal radiation burns. Photosynthesis would halt, and global food chains would begin to collapse. Within hours, the surface of the planet would be uninhabitable in many regions. The gamma-ray burst's energy would also destabilize our climate, triggering violent storms, extreme temperature swings, and possibly even mass extinctions like those that wiped out the dinosaurs. What if we somehow survived the initial impact? Would humanity have a chance to rebuild? The most likely scenario would be living in underground bunkers or specialized habitats designed to shield us from the intense radiation and provide breathable air. Agriculture would need to move indoors, using artificial light sources to grow food. Life on the surface, as we know it, would be impossible. Survival would be possible for a time, but rebuilding society would be difficult. Resources would dwindle, and competition for survival might lead to conflict. Human populations would shrink drastically, and we'd be left to wonder whether we could ever restore Earth to its former state. So could a gamma-ray burst really hit Earth? The good news is, gamma-ray bursts are extremely rare, and the odds of one pointing directly at Earth are incredibly low. Most occur far away, and even though they are powerful, their energy dissipates over long distances. Our planet has been bombarded by cosmic radiation throughout its history, and yet life still thrives. While it's a fascinating and terrifying possibility, it's unlikely we'll face such a disaster in our lifetimes, or even in the lifetime of the human race. But what if, in the future, we could predict or even prevent such cosmic disasters? Scientists are already exploring ways to better understand gamma-ray bursts and other space hazards. With advancements in space observation and detection technology, we might one day have the tools to protect Earth from even the most catastrophic events. Perhaps one day, we won't just be passive victims of cosmic events. We'll have the power to safeguard our planet and push the boundaries of what humanity can achieve. So what do you think? Could humanity survive a gamma-ray burst, or would we be wiped out in an instant? Before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And hey, don't keep all the fun to yourself. Make sure to share this video with your friends. Spread the curiosity. Lastly, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on more mind-blowing content like this. See you in the next video, and as always, stay curious.